Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are doing good today. Today's video is going to be a lipstick swatch video. Yes, we all are excited for lipstick swatches. Today's video is going to be on this new set from Huda Beauty. This is the Haze lip kit. She also has 3 new eyeshadow palette launches. I have already reviewed one of the eyeshadow palettes. So today I'm going to do a video on this Haze lip kit. There are 4 mini lipsticks inside here. I'm going to share my thoughts on the Huda Beauty liquid lipsticks and also show you the swatches of these 4 shades, and also we'll try to mix and match the shades and see how it goes. So if you guys are interested in this lipstick set, then do continue watching. Okay guys, let's get started with today's video. So today we are going to talk about this mini lip set from Huda Beauty. This is the new Haze collection. There are 3 palettes as well. I have 2 of the palettes with me. So this is the Khaki Haze palette and this is the Purple Haze palette. I have already reviewed the Khaki Haze palette. It's on my other channel, Palette Reviews by Antariksha. If you are interested in this palette, then do check out my video there. Today's look is also using this Khaki Haze palette, and this one I have just received, so I will be reviewing this on my other channel as well. So if you guys are interested in the eyeshadow palette reviews, then do subscribe to my other channel, which is dedicated to eyeshadow palettes. Okay, now let's look at this lipstick set. Very cute little lipstick set with 4 mini liquid matte lipsticks. These may look small, but I used to have a lip set like this, and each tube actually lasted me quite well, and you get to try 4 shades. So it's quite a good value for money pack. In here, of course, you get 4 lipsticks, and each lipstick is 1.9 ml or 0.064 fluid ounces. If I take out one from here, I'll just show you. This is how the actual lipstick tube looks like. And I also have a original liquid matte mini. This is the shade Trophy Wife, and this is how both of them compare. This is how both of them compare in sizes. I think this one, the bigger one, you get 5 ml of product, and in this one you get 1.9 ml of product. So it's not less. In this one also you get quite a lot of product. So I think before I start doing the swatches, let me quickly share my thoughts on the Huda Beauty liquid matte lipsticks. I have been using them for quite a while and I love these liquid lipsticks. These are one of my favorite liquid lipstick formula. I have done a video on liquid lipstick formula, so I will leave that in the description box as well if you guys are interested. In the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick formula, what I love the most is that how comfortable these liquid lipsticks are. They do not completely dry down matte, but they do look matte on the lips. So if you are a matte liquid lipstick lover, that's a win-win situation because we all like comfortable matte liquid lipsticks. There is a slight bit of tackiness which will be there when you apply these lipsticks. They do not completely dry down, and that's why they are very comfortable, but they are not like the Maybelline Superstay Matte inks where they will feel sticky. It's not like that. These are very comfortable, and they do not really transfer. I don't know how they have done it. They do not completely dry down. They are matte, but they do not transfer as well, and they are very comfortable. So it's a very good liquid lipstick formula. And if I have to show you their transfer, here you go. See, there is no transfer. What I have on my lips right now are 2 of the shades which I have in this lip set. So I'm going to show you how you can mix some of the shades in this lipstick set as well. So yeah, I definitely love these liquid lipsticks. I will highly recommend them. The only thing is that there are a lot of fakes which are available for Huda Beauty liquid matte lipsticks, and those fakes are not very nice. I have heard some people not liking this liquid lipsticks. I don't know if they have received the fake one or not, because the fake ones I have heard are very drying on the lips, and they do have very bad chemicals in them. So beware, check where you're buying your liquid lipsticks from. If you get the original one, I am pretty sure you're going to like the Huda Beauty liquid matte lipsticks. So yeah, without much further ado, let's quickly see the swatches, and yeah, that's about it. That's the video. So let's go. So here are the 4 shades in the pack. So let's get started. I think I'll start off with Legend. Should I start off with the lightest one? Okay, let's start off with the lightest one, Venus right here. I am pretty sure it's not going to suit my skin tone. It's a very light peachy color. I don't think you can see also. So there is Venus. Clearly it's very light on my skin tone, so it's applying also a little bit patchy. It's a very light peachy nude on my skin tone. It's too light, I won't be able to wear it on its own, but actually it's not that bad. I think I can make it work with lip liner and a lip gloss. It will look really nice. Okay, next I think I'm going to try the next lighter shade, which is the shade Legend. I think it's sort of like a pinky shade. So here is Legend. Yeah, I think this will be really good on my skin tone. Oh, it's a really pretty nude, pinky nude lipstick. Okay, so that's Legend dried down on the lips. It's so beautiful. I love this lipstick. It reminds me of Trophy Wife, as I was mentioning. So I have a Trophy Wife. I will just do a quick swatch of it next to this one. So this is Trophy Wife and this is Legend. They look very similar. Legend might have a little bit more mauve. I'm very confused. I can't tell. Let the Huda Beauty Trophy Wife dry down. Then we will see the comparison. Let's move on to the next shade. Next we are going into, let's see, Savage. Let's try Savage next. Wow, this is also a beautiful color. It's on the deeper side. I love it. I love it. Okay guys, so this one is Savage. It is so beautiful. It's a mauvey deep lipstick and it looks like a deep nude on my skin tone. It's so beautiful. I think this will suit a lot of skin tones. And the last one is Billionaire. Let's try this one. And it's sort of like a brownish shade, like a deep burgundy brown color. It has a slight bit of red to it as well, but it's essentially a deeper brown. Okay, it's dried down now. So beautiful. I love these kind of deep shades. Gorgeous color. This will also obviously suit a lot of skin tones, but especially our kind of skin tone. So good. And I will be mixing this shade with Venus, and that's what you're going to see me wear throughout this video. So out of all the three shades, I think I love, it's very obvious, the shade Legend, Savage, Billionaire, which are the deeper shades, but I will definitely mix them with the shade Venus and experiment. Maybe I will do that in this video itself. Okay, this one is Savage plus Venus. This one is Venus and Legend. Billionaire and Venus. Oh, completely forgot. I had to show you the shade Trophy Wife with Savage. So here is Trophy Wife, here is Savage. Sorry, did I just say Savage? Savage is this one. This one is Legend. So I'm talking about Legend and Trophy Wife. You can see that Trophy Wife is a little bit brighter maybe, and Legend is a little bit more muted. Both are very similar. Both are pink toned lipsticks. Okay guys, so those were the swatches of these Huda Beauty liquid matte lipsticks. Do let me know which is your favorite shade out of all these 4 shades. I really love these shades. I don't know how much I will mix and match and wear. Today I am wearing Venus with Billionaire, but I think I will just wear these colors a lot. These are just gorgeous. I'm not too sure if these 3 shades are new shades, because what I read on the website is that these are 3 exclusive shades. So I am guessing they're new shades because I couldn't really find these shades in the original lineup as well. But I'm not too sure if these shades are already existing shades or not. So if you guys know, then just let me know, and also let me know which one is your favorite shade and if you're going to pick up this set or not. I hope this video was helpful and you liked it. If you liked it, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're watching me for the first time, I really hope you'll consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again really soon in my next video. Bye.